Hi guys, so unfortunately we're living in a time where wearing a mask is a necessity, but that does not mean we cannot look good. And today's video is all about mask friendly makeup. This is basically a kind of a glam look that you can do for any kind of festival or gathering or party, because now people have started moving out but we still need to take precautions. And all the products that will be used in this video will make your makeup properly transfer proof and you can wear your mask without any worries. So without further ado, let's start with the video. So the first step is to obviously prep our face, and I am using this good old rose water. Ab tak to you guys would know that I love rose water. I have talked about it in the last video also. You can check it out. Now the next step is to use a primer. Now primer is actually optional, but I will recommend you to use it because it will just make your base last longer. Just apply it on your T-zone, and whatever is left I am applying it all over my face. For base we need to use a transfer proof and waterproof foundation. So of course MAC foundation is one of the best. It will give you a smooth finish and it will not transfer on your mask. But I would be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is much more affordable, and if you can set it properly it will give you almost similar results. I'm just applying some foundation to the center of my face and then I'll spread it out.
Now you just have to blend.
If you're short on time, you can actually just use your hands to blend it out. I use my hands a lot of time to blend my makeup. So I'm not applying any more foundation. I have actually gone for a light coverage. If you want a full coverage, you can just layer up your foundation. And then I'm going to quickly use some concealer. I'm just going to apply this on my under eyes and some on my red spots and the darkness around my mouth. Please set our face. I'm using the Sugar Set Me powder. Now this tip is actually very important because it will help you make your makeup really transfer proof and crease proof when you wear your mask. I'm gonna let the excess powder be there till I complete my eye makeup. Our eyes have to be our main focus when we are wearing a mask. So I'm going to go for a very light smoky eye kind of a look. For my eye base, I'm using the shade Plush by K by Katrina. It's an eyeshadow stick. You can use any kind of a nude brown eyeshadow for this. This just makes the process more easier and quick. Now I'm just going to blend it out with my fingers. You can see it will just give a depth to your eyes. You see how quick that was. In 5 minutes our eye base is done. Now next I'm going to use this Starry Night eyeshadow stick again from K by Katrina. This one is a metallic black shade and this is what will give our eyes that smoky look. So I'm just going to slightly apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. I'll go slow because black is a very messy color. It can just ruin your whole eye look. So I'm going to slowly build it up. Now as you can see, I am applying it slowly all over my eyelid and I'll blend it out. Make sure that you are applying it only over the eyelid and not on your crease. This shade is a bit harder to blend, so I'm gonna use a brush. Now I'm just gonna brush off whatever setting powder is left on my face, and I'm going to apply that same Starry Night on my waterline. I'm just gonna go till half of my eye because it will make my eyes look bigger, and I'm going to use my finger to smudge it. Next I'm going to make a small wing eyeliner to define my eyes a little bit more. So both the eyes are done. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. You can apply falsies too, but I just don't find the need of doing it. Just apply loads of mascara. With the eye makeup done, I'm moving on to my eyebrow. Again, you need to really define your eyebrows because eyes and eyebrows are the only part that are visible when you are wearing a mask. So just pay good attention to them. So I'm using the Maybelline Fashion Pro Pencil. I have talked about it in my other video and this is my absolute favorite product. Now I'm going to use this blush by Sugar. It's a brownish pinkish shade and it will really go well with this kind of look that we have created. I'm just smiling and putting it on my cheekbones. Now for lipstick, we have to use a transfer proof lipstick. And today I'm using this Maybelline Super Stay Ink Matte in the shade Self Starter. You just need to give this lipstick a few seconds to set and after that it won't budge. Now I'm going to use a makeup setting spray. This one is by NYX and this is a very important step to make sure that this would ensure that your makeup does not budge throughout the day. And the last step is to use highlighter. I always use my highlighter after the makeup setting spray. I have shown this in my hacks video. And I'm just gonna apply it on my high points. You see that applying highlighter after the makeup setting spray gives such an extra glow. Also apply highlighter on the inner corner of your eyes to make them pop out. Of course, the final step is to wear a mask. And we are done. So this is the final look. You can see your eyes actually stand out when you're wearing this mask, and even after you remove the mask, your makeup will not budge. You can see the lipstick, blush, foundation, everything is on their place and my mask is actually clean. So guys, that was it. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to watch more such videos and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.